Welcome to Sebastian Simon's Mathematics. Today, we are going to be exploring linear inequalities. Okay, good question. A linear inequality is kind of like a linear equation, but the graphs are number lines. You have to point each one on you. Like you can point your answer wherever your answer lies. So, even on your worksheets, on your worksheet on Monday when we go outside, we are going to be exploring. So it gives you hints for your answers. Like your answer is between 8 and 15. Answers between 29 and 35. Those are what linear inequalities graphs look like on your worksheets. Quick enough. So, turning textbooks to page 31, CK 12. Okay. So page 31. Okay. So this lesson is lesson 1-4. Linear inequalities. This is Algebra 2. Apparently, I've been learning this in Algebra 1. Linear equations, I've learned it in Algebra 1. But apparently, this is going up and around so quickly. Okay, so here's how it's going to work. We have your equation. 2x is less than 8. And I give you answer 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? And here's some tricky things about it. So, if it has a bow tie, we do not. So, if it's an open circle, well, if it's an open or closed circle, then it's actually like that. Demon King 1318. Hi. Ashman P. Dennis said hi. Hi. So, if it's an open circle, do we if it's an open circle, do we do a bow tie? If it's an open circle, do we do a closed circle? I think that's what it is. What are you teaching? What am I teaching? Well, today we're exploring linear inequalities in Algebra 2. According to yes, I have my own teaching curriculum. So, 2x is less than 8. So it's basically, we're going to treat it like a linear equation. So you cancel out, x is less than 4. So, do we do open circle or closed circle? Open circle, yes. You know chemistry? I haven't taken chemistry classes. No. So, open circle. Close circle, whatever. Okay. And then it goes all the way to the left. Okay? Can you put the board close so I could see it properly? Okay. Is that perfect for you? One moment. Sorry. Over interruptions. Someone just opened my door like it's a little crazy. Is that good for you? If you vote for 44 minutes. Yes. Okay. Good. Okay. So, if this whiteboard's over a year and a half old, I've had it since 2024. So like, if we have 3x is greater than 15, we're treating it like a linear equation. X is greater than 5. So like, we're gonna like put random numbers down there. So like, well, yeah, I always make my writing a little crooked. Sorry if it did. Is that crooked? A little bit, but okay. So you do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So like, we do a closed circle on here. We go to the right. Wait, it's an open circle, my bad. So, if it's a closed circle, it equals that number, but it's going to be less than or greater than. For example, if we take 5x is greater than or equal to 20, what is the topic name? Okay. What the topic name? I'm going to write it down there in blue. Okay, it's black, blue. Okay. Linear inequalities. If you can't, well, you might be able to see it. It's linear inequalities, but it's algebra 2. Okay. So for this, are you still writing down the topic name? If you are, that's okay. I'm gonna stop writing. NBA reviews. NDB reviews. Yo, what's up? Okay, so we're gonna start at 2. And now we're gonna make it to, I think, 10 maybe? I don't know. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, wait, 10. Okay. Here, there we go. So, okay. What am I doing here? I'm teaching I got this. What are you doing here? What I'm doing is I'm teaching Algebra 2 right now, but they have like 30-ish 40 minutes of class. So, okay? So let's go back to the video. So, no, not video, live stream. So, we have 5x squared and equal to 20. So, we're going to divide both sides by 5. We have x is squared of or equal to 4. So, it's an open circle, closed circle, because it equals that number. So, it goes all the way to the right. Hey, it looks backward, like when you see notes in the mirror. What? Oh, okay. Yes, I usually have it backwards because if I do it forwards, I cannot see your comments. That's all. So, yes, that's why I normally like mirror. This is not a mirror, this is my whiteboard. Backward, see notes in the mirror. Oh, when you see notes in the mirror. Okay. Like, yes. Yes, I'm gonna give you like 5 minutes to do these 7-ish problems. Well, I'm gonna erase the notes. Look, okay. So if you are done writing all the notes, like if you don't have to write notes. If you're, how do you say your name? Oh, right. My name is Sebastian. Simon's Mathematics. Yes. So, like, are you done? Are you done taking the notes? Because we're going to be doing this activity. No. Group activity. Of. Like, what do you mean, of? Like, can you help me in Laplace problems? And Laplace? Like, what? Laplace? What do you mean, Laplace? Can you help me in Laplace problems? Like, I don't speak any other language except for English. I don't speak any other language except for English. I just speak normal English. I'm getting NFM. Wait, okay. So I'm gonna, there's the notes. Hopefully you could see better. And I'm gonna erase this bottom bit because it's, well, yeah, I thought that would. Yeah. Oh yes, I forgot to tell you something very important. The Marvel-Laplace theorem. Probability. Later this school year, but I don't know if I want to do it this school year. Not this school year, this today. The Marvel-Laplace theorem. Probability, okay. Yeah, I'll get back to you about it. Yes, I forgot to tell you. Since this is Algebra 2, Period 3, this class will be your second final. Yes, apparently my school would have finals in this classroom. Like this class does finals too. So, apparently, it's a free class transitioning. It's like, on the day we do finals, it's going to be first, third, fifth. It's like first is from 9:40 to 11:25. Then you have me from 12 to 1:50. And then you have your fifth period final from 2:05 to 2 o'clock to 3:50. And then you're on your buses. And then the next day, it's going to be a same exact schedule, but it's 2, 4, 6. And then the following schedule, it's just going to be 7th period. 7th period is just from 9:40 to 11:25. But find a time domain solution. What? Find the time domain solution YT of the following integral differential equation. Slash 2YT plus 2 to the in wait, what? Yeah, I don't know if I could even do that, but this is algebra 2 after all, but I'm not gonna write it up here. Yeah, so much weird things on here. Okay. So, you have about 10 minutes to do these 10 problems. So, 2x, the square root of n equal to 6. Okay, so if you see an equation like this, this is what's known as, it's still the same exact inequality thing, but it's a different equation. So, 1, 2. Well, I'm going to space them out. So, 5x plus 3 is greater than 23. 8x plus 1 is equal to 80. 1. 6x plus 4 is equal to 24. 22. 9x is less than 45. 12x is less than or equal to 84. Okay. So, that's it for now. That's it for this last string. So, Karan Sharma, 16. Hi. Wait, what? 5 likes on my live stream. That's my second live stream of today. That's amazing. So, okay. I'm going to put the same equations before I'm going to have to turn off my camera for a moment. For a couple minutes. So first I'm going to have to write down those problems. Why did I put equals on both of them? That's a little bit weird. These are not equations. "30 minutes left of class." If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Oh. Yeah, I don't think I could do that. Okay? Okay. That's funny. You could do. Can you do? Well, I don't know. Your teaching was good. Yes, but I'm gonna have to turn off my camera for a moment because I'm gonna be doing a shout out, and I do not want you to see the shout outs. Okay? Because I'm afraid you might be spoiled. Don't you leave just yet, because I already put out a shout out wall and a shout out whiteboard. I put one shout out, and I am going to show you who earns the shout out. Today's Algebra 2 shout out. Demon King 1318. Oh yeah, so you see right here, these are the equations that I wrote down for my previous notes. So, yes, please like and subscribe. I will see you all next time. Wait, what? Shout out to Demon King 1318. 1318. Okay? Bye. I'll see you in like 20-ish minutes.